Welcome to Business Training Media, where we break down how work really works. Most promotions aren't decided in performance reviews. They're decided long before that, quietly, informally, and often without you ever realizing it. Two people can work just as hard, deliver similar results, and yet only one of them moves up, even though both appear equally qualified on paper. The difference usually isn't talent, it's understanding the unwritten rules of the workplace. Today, we're breaking down the signals leaders actually respond to, and why these unspoken rules matter more than most job descriptions ever will. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Promotions are not just about what you do. They're about how others experience working with you. Decision makers ask themselves questions they rarely say out loud. Can this person be trusted under pressure? Do they make situations easier or harder? Do they represent the company well when I'm not in the room? These judgments form slowly, through patterns, not single moments. And once that perception is set, it's surprisingly hard to change. Credibility is built before performance is noticed. One of the most overlooked rules is this: credibility often comes before recognition. People who get promoted tend to communicate clearly, manage their emotions, and handle disagreement without creating friction. They don't over-explain, they don't overshare, and they don't need to announce their competence. Instead, they show it through consistency, how they write emails, contribute in meetings, and respond when something goes wrong. Leaders notice who stays composed when others don't. That's rarely written into a performance review, but it's remembered. Another unwritten rule is trust, often formed through small, consistent decisions. Not trust in your technical ability, but trust in your judgment. People who are promoted tend to make thoughtful decisions, even when information is incomplete. They ask smart questions, they think before they speak, and they understand when to push and when not to. Trust grows when others feel confident handing you responsibility without needing to micromanage. That confidence often determines who gets opportunities before roles are even posted. Being visible doesn't mean being loud. Professionals who advance know how to be present without dominating. They contribute value, not noise. They're reliable, prepared, and steady, even when no one is watching. Leaders notice who elevates conversations instead of derailing them, who supports the team without seeking credit, who understands that influence is built through behavior, not volume. Perhaps the most important unwritten rule is this: people are promoted based on who they are already becoming. If someone already acts like they can handle the next level, leaders start to treat them that way. If they don't, the opportunity rarely comes with training wheels. Promotion is often a confirmation, not a test. The unwritten rules of promotion aren't secret, but they are rarely explained. Pay attention to how trust is built, how credibility is earned, and how influence quietly forms through everyday behavior. Because long before a title changes, a decision is already being made. At Business Training Media, we focus on the professional behaviors, decisions, and signals that shape real careers, not just theory. If this helped you see your career differently, leave a comment below. Subscribe to Business Training Media for more insight into how work really works.